Hi, today I will show you a tutorial how to do 3D on Adobe Illustrator. I will use this text block for an example. I suggest to use a chunky font for a better result. With this text, go to Object and expand it and then click OK. Ungroup it so I can adjust each of the words. After it's done, choose all the words, go to Pathfinder and unite it. Before I turn it into 3D, make sure you choose other colors except black so the 3D effect will be much more recognized. Now go to Effect, 3D and Materials, choose Inflate. There are three main things here: Object, Materials, and Lighting. You can customize the perspective and rotation on Object. I don't want to change so much on Material yet, but I'll show you later. For the Lighting, scroll down and turn on the shadow. Click on the top right for rendering. It might take a while. And this is the final result. If you want to make it glossier, I'll go to Material and adjust the roughness and metallic. This is my setting. This is it, the final result. You can do the same to any shape you want.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!